What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash a little bit of a review of the Maven windproof torch lighter Model K. So this is just something I found in a local store. I thought it was kind of cool. It's got a pistol shape to it. There's just kind of features on it. Not really a whole lot to the unboxing for this, but let's just open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Not really much else in the box. Let's see if there's... oh no, just some silica gel. So not really much in the box itself, but this is what it looks like. It's a little torch lighter. It's kind of cool because, I mean, look at that. It's got a safety switch right there. It'll still let out some butane if the switch is on. It's got an adjustment right here to turn the butane all the way down. So, and you can have it pretty low. Or you can kind of crank it up a bit. It's got a spot on the bottom to recharge the butane. So yeah, there you have it. Excuse my hands too, they kind of look gross right now. Dry weather and all. But there you have it, the Maven Model K windproof torch lighter. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.